Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a celebrity inspired makeup look again. So I'll put on the screen here the one that I'm going to do, which was on Adele, and I think this was for a recent performance that she did, and obviously following her new album that came out, which I'm obsessed with. I listen to at least once a day. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little eye look and a bit of a foundation look. I'm going to do one eye for this, and then I'm going to do my other eye for my Instagram, which I will put on the screen now. I've been filming a lot of different little reels for that. I filmed 3 yesterday and I went to bed and my eyes are quite sensitive. I have quite sensitive eyes and they're a little sore today because I was taking off, putting on, taking off a few times, but we're here and we're gonna jump straight in. So on the video, I can't really find a good picture. I might have found a good picture by the time I've edited this, but she has quite deep sockets, which as you can see, I don't. I have hooded eyes, so I'm gonna imitate that, but I think I'm going to do my base first. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm going to do eyeliner. So I'm going to prep my eyes and my eyebrows. So for that, I'm going to actually do my skin first. I'm going to go in with my vitamin C hydrating and brightening moisturizer, which I use every day. Just apply that on my eyes as well, kind of soothe them a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Paula's Choice pore, I don't know what it is, exfoliant. Just apply that on my skin as well, get a nice glossy sheen. Okay, so I'm going to actually put some lip balm on because my lips are very sore at the minute, probably from all the makeup. I just use a ginger lip balm which has beeswax in, which I find really helps to keep my lips nice and hydrated. So like I said, I'm just going to do one eye first. I'm going to do this eye. So I'm just going in with my concealer, which is the Collection Last Imperfection in the shade 10 Buttermilk. Just apply that on my lid. My eyes are so sore, probably shouldn't be putting more makeup on them, but whatever. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using is a V palette. So the first colour I'm going to go into is the shade Buff, which is this kind of chocolatey brown colour, and I'm going to apply that into my socket. The colours that she has on are quite orange, so that is what we're gonna go for, and just keep blending it all out. I used glitter yesterday and now everything has glitter on, so this is gonna have a touch of sparkle. And then I also noticed that it kind of went up there, so like up the side of her nose to kind of like hollow her nose out. I'm gonna go as well into the shade Chow, which is this more of an orangey tone, and just buff that into the same place, and again just blending it all out. So this bit I'm going to do with a lighter concealer. So I'm going into my Misguided one, which is pretty much nearly white, and I'm going to take my concealer brush and just carve the crease. So applying it on the lid, And then I'm going to take a cleaner brush and take the shade So Shy and just apply that over the top. And then take the brush with a bit of product on just to blend around the edges. So she also has a really thick eyeliner. Now because I have hooded eyes, I can't do as thick, but I'm going to go in my Huda Beauty eyeliner and attempt an eyeliner. So I'm going to do the top here first. And then I'm going to do a little flick. It's there. And then I'm just going to use a makeup wipe and neaten up the edge. I'm going to go do the other side and then I'll come back. So I'm back and now I'm going to do my face. I'm going to go in with my 30 Hour foundation, which is a little too light for me right now. I have a bit of tan on, so I'm going to go in with a bit of Becca. This brush is disgusting. I saw Nikki Tutorials was using this the other day, so I was thought, same. Okay, and I'm going to just use my sponge to kind of blend that all in. And then a concealer, so I'm going to go in with a bit of my Misguided one right in the inner corners and use my brush to blend that out, just to kind of add a bit of nice pop of. And then just taking my normal one that I was using earlier under here, just to clean up the eyeliner. And then gonna go in with a contour. I use my nutmeg one. And blend that out. To set under the eyes, I'm going in with my Rimmel London powder. Just gonna bake under there. Down my nose, a bit on my chin, and then I'm just going to put a bit everywhere else in my T-zone. I nearly forgotten to do my eyebrows. Do them. So just using my spoolie just to brush through them, and then using the Revolution XX just to fill them in a little bit. And then just adding some bronzer. And a tiny bit of blush. And then let's move back onto the eyes. So I'm going to go in with a black kohl liner and just lining my top and bottom lash lines. And then under her lashes is quite dark and like smoky, so I'm going to go in my Good Night, the dark black, and just run that really closely to the lash line. And just blend that out a little bit. And then going to the stage So Shy and just applying that into the inner corner, just to brighten up in there. I'm gonna add some mascara and some lashes and then I'll come back. So Adele's under eyes are really like smooth, so I'm just gonna go under with a like a brightening powder underneath the eyes, and maybe just a little bit down the nose and on the forehead. And then I'm going to go in with another bronzer, just bronze up the cheeks. And then she has quite a darky nude lip on. I'm going to go into my Revolution palette as always and take the darker nude and do my lips. Thanks for watching.